Hi guys, here 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 3 minus 1 is 2 times this 2 times this 2. Here 2 times 2 is 4 times this 2. Here we'll get 8. 8 is the wrong answer as per the order of operations PEMDAS. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this PEMDAS rule. Here this is bracket, multiplication, division, addition, subtractions. Here multiplication, divisions are equal priority. Also this addition, subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow here left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here this bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this first. So 3 minus 1 times this is 2 times this 2. Now we have subtraction, multiplication, multiplication. Which operation is first? This multiplication is before this subtraction. So from this we have 2 multiplication, which is first. We have to follow here left to right rule. So left to right is this one. So 3 minus 1 times 2 is 2 times this 2 here. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is always higher priority than this subtraction. Now we have to do this now. This is 4. 3 minus 4, negative 4 is the correct answer. Here negative 4.